Hi, I'm Alicia Faricelli. I'm an emotional intelligence coach. I want to share these highlights with you. So, Dr. Nim Tottenham is a scientist who studies how kids learn how to handle big feelings. She focuses on two parts of the brain, how they grow together and work together to keep you calm, to make smart choices, and to feel safe. So, let's meet the brain team, which talks about amygdala. This is your feeling alarm. It's small, it's shaped like an almond, and it helps you feel emotions, especially fear and stress. For instance, if you hear a loud bang or you see a scary dog, your amygdala goes off and first to shout, uh-oh, danger. The second part is a prefrontal cortex. This is your wise planner, or otherwise known as your thinking cap. This helps you stop, think, make decisions, and makes you calm down. So if your amygdala is saying panic, then your prefrontal cortex is saying, wait, just a minute. It's not a monster. So Dr. Tottenham discovered that these two brain parts work together as kids grow. And she found some really cool things. First of all, they don't start off as a team. When you're little, the amygdala is already strong and active, but your prefrontal cortex is still learning how to help. This means that young kids feel emotions very strongly, but always know what to do or how to calm themselves down yet. And that's totally normal. Then as you grow, the prefrontal cortex gets better at helping. The connection between your amygdala and your prefrontal cortex gets stronger with age. So around middle school, your prefrontal cortex becomes better at saying, let's chill, when the amygdala is still freaking out. But you learn how to breathe, to think, and to calm yourself down. The third thing she found was love and care matter. So Dr. Tottenham also found that early experiences like having loving parents or feeling safe help your prefrontal cortex grow better connections to your amygdala. This means you can learn to handle feelings better if you grow up in a safe and caring home. But if a child grows up feeling scared a lot or without stable love, the brain might get stuck in alarm mode. This amygdala gets extra sensitive and the prefrontal cortex has a harder time to help it out. So why does this matter? If kids get lots of warmth, hugs, and have around calm adults, their brains learn better ways to handle stress. Feelings absolutely are not bad, but it helps to have a brain that knows how to balance them. The way our brain grows can change depending upon what happens in our lives. That means even if someone has a tough start, they can still grow stronger with help and support. So let's say your friend bumps into you and you fall. Your amygdala says, he did that on purpose, get mad. But your prefrontal cortex says, wait, maybe it was an accident. Let's ask. But your prefrontal cortex says, wait, maybe it was an accident. Let's ask first. If your prefrontal cortex and amygdala are working well together, you might ask your friend, what did you mean to do that? Instead of yelling. If your prefrontal cortex and amygdala are working well together, you might ask your friend, did you mean to do that? Instead of yelling or pushing. That's what emotional regulation looks like. Your brain giving you space to make better choices. So let's remember, safe relationships with grown-ups, learning how to name and talk about feelings, mindfulness and deep breathing, and time, giving your brain time to build these connections as you grow up. That's what helps your brain grow stronger. I'm Alicia Faricelli. I'm your emotional intelligence coach.